We are Jaisal and Sonia, and this is our 1989 Ford Coachmen Camper van that we lovingly call Turtle.
So now the main next project that we have is finishing up the framing. Most of it's done, but I gotta put a few more pieces of wood up here and in the back, a few more spots, so that way the cabinets, the walls, and anything else that we want to mount has a place to actually mount it to, because we can't mount to the fiberglass directly. So gotta get working on that framing, get it done, so the walls can go up.
While Jaisal works on that, I'll be working on insulation. We did a lot yesterday. We're gonna just continue going for insulating the van, framing it, and getting it done. Must be good.
It's the new stove.
Yay!
So now we'll go to the kitchen right here.
Oh my gosh.
So this cord, we'll cut it off, and then we'll just pass it through and wire it there. This is coming from the main inverter down there, so we're just putting it in line with that. And we'll have our outlets.
Maybe we should have prepared how we're gonna stick it onto the wall.
I'm prepared.
You're prepared? Oh,
I got screws.
nice.
So I just have to make sure I don't go where the wires are. So we marked out where the wires were.
Where's Adam? Oh, you have Adam too.
Yeah.
Our little Adam driver.
Oh shoot, these are the wrong screws.
Are you serious?
I need the 1 inch ones.
Oh jeez.
So I can see where the wires are. Avoiding them. Let's try this again.
Yay!
But
It's installed!
yeah. This is temporary, by the way. We're still gonna have a wall that goes over this, like to cover all this up. And on top of that, we might put some fabric or some design, wallpaper, anything. Also, I ripped one of the lights off, so I have to fix this later. Problem with the dangling lights.
It happens.
All right, let's do the rest of this.
Let's do it. Number 2. Coming right up. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mamacita.
Get it?
Hand it
Go
to
ahead.
me.
This one right here. Yeah. Oh no!
We've lost it.
Oh shoot! Oh my god! Yes, all the way through.
So I made a mistake.
These screws are exactly the right length to go through 3/4 inch of this XPS, and then just barely go into the plywood that's fiberglass to the top of the rest of the fiberglass. That's what we're doing. It's not going into the fiberglass.
Okay,
What did
I
you
didn't
do?
know it was long enough to go all the way through.
Of course, it's okay. So what happened was Sonia drilled it all the way through and kept going all the way in. So it's through the whole thing. So we're gonna undo that. We're gonna have to patch up the fiberglass on the outside. And now I'm gonna handle this and slowly do the rest.
You do the rest.
How I've been doing so far.
Oh my god.
So hopefully the screw comes out, and if the head is broken, then I don't know. But it should come out. These screws are strong. Oh my gosh, the screws all the way through.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I can see daylight.
No!
Yeah, totally.
This is the unlucky screw. Just a reminder.
I don't
Be
think
careful.
the screw is unlucky. I was gonna do a video earlier too, explaining that I measured it, and it wasn't gonna go all the way through. For anybody who was worried.
Oh. You should have said that. Proved you wrong.
Sonia's got these templates all made up for the sides. Look at that. We're just test fitting all of them before we glue them in place. So, as an extra layer of security in case the glue gets undone and the walls are already up, so when we're bumping down the road and stuff, this won't move around and cause squeaking and stuff, so that's why we added some tape, just to hold it in.
Doesn't matter if it's raining, we're still gonna be working on Turtle today. Luna's here to supervise too. Aren't you, Luna? Sweet girl.
So I wanted to take a second to talk about why we went with sheep's wool insulation for the main insulation in our van. There's a lot of benefits to it, but the main reasons why we chose sheep's wool is it's easy to work with, it's non-toxic, and it's environmentally friendly. It doesn't need a vapor barrier, so we don't have to worry about that. It's naturally resistant to mold and bacteria, and fire resistant. So there's many more advantages to it, but for us, this made it really easy to work with in our small space, and that's why we went with it. Up top, we went with XPS foam board, which is 3/4 inch, and that provides a good insulation value as well. We went with that up top because we had flat spaces and it was easy to install all overhead. So that's why we went with these two insulation choices in this van.
We did it!
Hey, that's a wrap for the insulation and the framing. So this was a fun project. I'm noticing already a difference when the AC's on and we tested out the furnace. It definitely is able to maintain the hot or cold and reject heat from outside or, you know, the cold. So it's nice. Can't wait to have everything else come together soon too.
Yeah, so tune in next week for the walls.
Yeah, we'll be putting up the walls. Stay tuned.
Bye! Okay, wait. Before we sign off, I just wanted to let you know that Jaisal fixed the top with tape. And for the past week in Southern California, there has been a huge storm, hailstorm specifically. So with all of that, there has been no leaks onto here, so just don't worry about us. We won't be leaked on while we sleep.
Give me your finger, put it in here.
Oh my god! You have it on your chin. Don't let me hold this thing.
Good job.